we're going to go over the 11 reasons why you're seeing 1111. So number 1, your thoughts and actions dictate your reality. You must always be aware that your thoughts and actions directly cause the reality of the world as you experience it. This means that if you tend to be a positive person, you live your life through positive thoughts and actions. The world in your eyes is largely good, and you feel optimistic about the future. You seem to attract many good things into your life, and find yourself being the object of envy by the more negatively influenced people in your life. On the contrary, if you find yourself to be largely guided by negative thoughts, your view of the same world tends to be rather bleak. You often find yourself down and out, and even the victim of more negative actions. The truth is, though, that positive people can have the exact same experiences as negative people do, and still, the world in their eyes would look completely different as it would look for negative people. Your guardian angels want to make you aware of this when they guide you through the number 1111. They want you to know that once you embrace positivity, you will become a much happier person. Number 2, you are on the way to an awakening. One of the biggest symbolisms of this number is that of awareness. Have you noticed how the actual number sequence looks a bit like columns? So what you're looking at are the columns to the gates to your inner awareness. By seeing 1111, you pass through these columns and awaken your mind, body, and spirit towards a new or altered path. That is why when 1111 presents itself to you, you should take a step back and really look at your life from a big picture standpoint. What 1111 does is it makes you reevaluate your life by reminding you to look at it in its entirety. It reminds you of your dreams, the things you want to accomplish in your lifetime, the path to take, making you a happier person than you are today. Asking and answering all of these questions for yourself will help you see where you're going wrong in your everyday life. Is what you are currently doing helping you reach your biggest dreams? Most importantly, have trust in your guided spirits and in yourself. Trust that the signs and energies in your life are there for a reason. Trust that you can overcome any challenges to achieve your biggest dreams. Trust that your guardian angels will always help guide you towards where you want to be. And trust that your heart knows your purpose in the universe, and that it will give you the courage to find your place. Number 3, open up and be receptive. It is incredibly important to open your mind, heart, and spirit in order to take advantage of the incredible things that lay ahead. By being open-minded, you simply have a much larger field of view for positive changes. It is often said that close-minded people physically cannot see opportunities that are right in front of them. Become aware of all the little signs that may come your way. Number 4, stay humble. Boasting about your success and the positive changes in your life can instill a false sense of confidence in your mind that can be detrimental to your continued success. It is essential to remain centered and humble while continuing down a positive path. Never take things for granted, as you can quickly lose any and all successes with an arrogant mindset. Enjoy success or positive periods, but be aware that you have to nurture these times and maintain the success you have created, because growth occurs by staying in the present. Staying in the present will allow you to focus on the current problems, to keep your mind centered, and to focus on the immediate problems. This way you can enjoy your current successes without losing touch with reality. Number 5, be grateful. The universe loves acts of gratitude. It is perhaps one of the most fundamental parts of living a positively influenced life. Gratitude shows that you have not taken anything for granted and are thankful for everything that you have achieved. Gratitude in itself is a spiritually fulfilling act. It elevates your well-being to a new level where you are able to open your heart to new gifts, guidance, and success. Number 6, don't be afraid to ask for guidance. An important part of seeing the number 1111 is realizing that guidance is always there when you need it. It doesn't matter where you are in life. If you're in need of some kind of help or clarification, seeing the number 1111 tells you that you will always receive it. Also, don't dismiss your inner guidance. Soul searching will offer the guidance you need, since it is the answer to your questions from your guardian angels. Number 7, your twin flame is near. The twin flame is the other half of your soul. There are many theories about the fact that an individual soul splits when ascending into a high frequency. Afterwards, the two halves of a soul will land in two different bodies. It is important to note that a twin flame is not the same as your soulmate. There is a fundamental difference, as your twin flame is basically the other part of your soul. By seeing the number 1111, your guardian angels are letting you know that you're very close to your twin flame and will potentially meet them in the near future. Number 8, self-esteem should be your priority. One aspect of seeing 1111 is that your angels have noticed that you often focus on what other people think of you. Your angels want to send you this message to encourage you to love yourself and focus on your individualistic tendencies and intuition instead of listening to or worrying about what other people have to say. Let go of trying to be perfect. Perfection doesn't exist. Be content with who you are and to love yourself for the unique individual that you have become. Number 9, something big is about to happen. Continuously seeing the number 1111 can mean that you have an important role to play in the overall spiritual energy of the world. You provide an essential amount of positive energy and love through your thoughts and actions, which is necessary to balance out the negative energies in the world. There will be a major shift in your life, a universal shift that not only applies to you. Something in the spiritual realm as 1111 is thought of as a grand number sequence. Your guardian angels want you to be dialed into the world as a whole. The world around you is a beautiful place, and beautiful things happen all the time. You just need to be open to them and accept them into your life. Number 10, let go of fear. Your energies should never be directed towards your fears in life. Doing so tends to only bring you the results that you fear so much. This self-fulfilling prophecy is perhaps one of the toughest habits to get rid of. Focusing on fear will only result in fear. Goals and dreams will bring you your goals and dreams. And number 11, new beginnings are on the horizon. Your new chapter is starting, and the only way to make room for this beautiful new beginning is to rid yourself of old habits and energies that have taken you down. By doing this, you allow yourself to be open to new experiences and to fully take in this upcoming chapter in your life.